Right now, artificial intelligence is changing the game for entrepreneurs, creators, and innovators around the world. The difference between those who thrive in this new era and those who get left behind often comes down to one thing: knowing how to talk to AI. That's exactly why this channel exists. Welcome to AI Prompt Mastery, your shortcut to mastering AI tools, creating smarter workflows, and unlocking your creative potential. Who we are and our core values. AI Prompt Mastery isn't just about tips and tricks. We're here to empower you. Whether you're a business owner looking to save hours, a content creator chasing your next big idea, or someone simply curious about AI's potential, our core values are simple. Clarity. We make AI easy to understand. No confusing jargon. Creativity. We use AI to amplify imagination, not replace it. Practicality. Everything we share can be applied immediately. Integrity. We teach ethical, responsible, and impactful AI use. If you believe AI should work for you, not the other way around, you're in the right place. What you'll learn here. So what can you expect from AI Prompt Mastery? Here's the breakdown. Prompt engineering tutorials. Learn how to craft powerful prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools that give you better, faster results. AI automation tips. Discover how to integrate AI into your business to save time, reduce costs, and boost productivity. Creative AI uses, from writing books to generating art, music, and marketing campaigns, we'll show you how to push AI's limits. Case studies and success stories. Real-world examples of AI in action so you can see what's working right now. Prompt recipes, pre-tested, ready-to-use prompts you can copy and paste into your own projects. This isn't about theory, it's about giving you real tools, real workflows, and real results. Why mastering prompts is the ultimate skill. Here's the truth: AI is only as smart as the person using it. If your prompts are weak, your results will be too. But when you learn the language of AI, the right words, structure, and context, you can make AI work like a skilled teammate. Think of prompts like a steering wheel. Anyone can sit in the car. But if you know how to steer with precision, you can go anywhere and get there faster. How to get the most from this channel? To get the most out of AI Prompt Mastery, here's what I recommend. 1. Subscribe so you never miss new strategies. 2. Follow along, try the prompts as you watch. 3. Save our prompt packs. We'll often give you free downloadable prompt libraries. 4. Engage in comments. Share your results, your struggles, and your wins. The more you use what you learn here, the faster you'll level up. Our promise to you. We promise to keep every video actionable. You'll walk away with something you can use today. Transparent. If a method has limitations, we'll tell you. Updated. AI moves fast, so we'll always bring you the latest strategies because our mission is simple: to help you not just keep up with AI, but get ahead of the curve. Closing call to action. If you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed by AI, if you're ready to start using it like a pro, then welcome to AI Prompt Mastery. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's start unlocking the full power of AI together.
It's the wrap up.